Hello everyone, and today I'm very excited because I want to show you how what is SEMrush and why you should start using it. I work in online marketing and I'm very excited about all the features that SEMrush has. I could be talking about hours about SEMrush and how your marketing can really go to the next level by using SEMrush exclusively. So if there is one tool that you should use, is SEMrush. So let's go ahead. So what I have here is a welcome email sent by SEMrush to me because I wanted to show you how to use SEMrush from scratch. So I will be making a series of videos on how to use it. So this is a welcome email by SEMrush. I do encourage you to really look at your spam folders if you don't see the email, because sometimes the welcome email to confirm your email is a very important step towards using SEMrush. So this is the email, how it looks like. They are welcome me, so I only need to confirm my email. I already did by clicking here, and it took me to my dashboard, to the lovely SEMrush dashboard. So this first video on SEMrush is about what is SEMrush used for? So SEMrush is used for a number of reasons. So for example, we can use it for advertising research, we can use it for organic research, we can even use it just to explore a domain overview to see in general how the domain is doing, what are the metrics. And we can also use it for other things such as traffic analytics if we want to be more specific. We can also use it for keyword overview, but also keyword research, which I love it with Keyword Magic tool, and also keyword gap. Yeah, so to see which keywords are we lacking of and which ones we can add to our, for example, pay-per-click campaigns. And we can also use it for other things, for backlink and bulk analysis. So for example, if you want to explore a domain, you just go to domain overview or input the domain in the search bar. But I do like it to do it like in this way, because in this way you can see here all the possibilities that you can do with this domain. So for example, if you work at an agency or you have clients, you can just simply explore the domain by inputting the name here. So in this case, I'm going to use as example bol.com. Bol.com is a web shop similar to Amazon, but it's exclusively to the Netherlands. And I'm going to use bol.com as an example. So I'm just going to grab the domain here, and I'm going to copy into the domain overview. So, okay, so we need to select the right database. In this case, I'm going to do Netherlands, and I'm going to search the domain. And I'm going to show you what are the metrics that you can see. I also forgot to mention that once you sign up for SEMrush, you get 7 days for free to try all of the premium features that they have. So please make use of this amazing proposition. So sign up. So here we have the domain overview of bol.com. So how do you interpret this data? Well, if I was going to help an online business such as bol.com or any business, I would focus on main metrics. For example, what is the current page search traffic? So with this, having said what is the page search traffic, this is information related to the causes, to the keywords that may appear, the keyword ranking distribution, so, and the domain page competitor. So in totally, the page search traffic that this business is generating is 234.7k, which is quite a lot of money. But this is not a breakdown. This includes information about the traffic, the cost, the keywords, cost, even domains paid competitors. So as you can see, they are doing quite well because the keywords that they are ranking for have increased by 4.5k, and the traffic cost also has increased, obviously, because the more traffic you get to your website through Google advertising, the more money you also will spend, which is a good thing, right? Now we have the organic search traffic, which is also important for somebody working in digital marketing or a business owner. So the organic search traffic also is saying how much money is this business generating only through organic search traffic, which is it has decreased by the keywords, but the traffic cost has increased. So basically, looking at these two charts, I can see that the paid search traffic is doing much better. Yeah, so paid search traffic is doing better than organic traffic, and is doing quite well, which is good, because if you pay for paid advertising, you want to see this hike. Yeah, so this paid advertising, I would say it's okay, but it's not really a main priority we should focus on. And then we can see our traffic trend, as you can see, is amazing because it has increased over time. So at the moment, organic traffic is quite stable, quite good, and paid traffic is also stable as well, which is something that we can also see here as well. So in terms of paid advertising, it's good. We can see that it has increased by 21%. It's comparing, it's giving you a comparison. So if you want to, if you, it's amazing because it gives you the historical data, which is called historical data. It gives you keywords by country. So where are you ranking more? Obviously, it's a Dutch business, so it's ranking more in the Netherlands organically. Or you can also click on paid, and you will see as well that it's the Netherlands, the top country. Is the top country where people is using this business. Then we got the top organic keyword, which keywords, mainly branded keywords, because Bol.com is already a very famous business. But if you were to be, for example, a startup, you will see here other sort of keywords, but no branded keywords. Your organic distribution, the competition. So here it's very nice to see how do you place yourself, how are you place yourself among your competitors. And we can see here, obviously this is not relevant because Wikipedia is another sort of business, so that is something that it's you who have to interpret this information, right? So basically you just will look at this kind of at this area here. So don't take this perfectly literally, because as you can see, Wikipedia doesn't have anything to do with a business such as Amazon or Bol.com. So your main organic competitors, it tells you who are your competitors. If you're going to, for example, to work in an in-house team, or you want to help your clients, you could always spy competitor here. And you can amazingly see details about your top paid keywords in advertising as well. And obviously your main paid competitors as well. So competitors are bidding for paid competition. So having said this, this is just a general overview video of SEMrush. You can see the domain overview. You can also see advertising research. So for example, if I want just to focus on advertising research for this business, Bol.com, I would click into advertising research and I would work with this data here. So basically this is about data analytics. Here is up to you how you interpret this information. So as you can see here, I got plenty of keywords for paid search position. I can export these keywords. I can upload them to Google Ads, to Google AdWords, Google Ad Manager. I can create a PDF for this mainly keyword. I can work with these keywords for my Google Ads campaign. I can basically spy even on my competitors. I can see ad copies. I can also create content as well. So this is something very useful, because if you want to rank on search engines, or you want to be able to be relevant to your users, you should really use SEO Writing Assistant, for example, to write your content. They have an add-on for Google Docs or for WordPress. I personally like more Google add-on for Google Docs, because all my content is on Google Docs, so I do use it frequently. And yeah, you have plenty of possibilities. So as I said before, this is an overview of how you can take your business to the next level with SEMrush, how you use SEMrush. You can create projects with your website. Here, for example, you have a project list. If you manage different websites, you have the possibility to set it depends on the plan that you are, but in this case I only go my website at the moment. I could create a new project for a new client, for example, and add this project and see all of these metrics here. And because I haven't set it up, I need to set the site author tool add, the visibility tool add, the mentions tool add, the pay-per-click campaign add, the organic search. All of this needs to be set up. So I could set up many projects, like I think it's up to 5 with the pro plan, and you also have the free version, which is only one website. So this is it for now. If you have any questions about the features that I covered in this video, please don't hesitate to comment below in the comment section of the video. And I'm gonna be making more videos about SEMrush and all the features that SEMrush has that are more important for a business point of view, or if you work in marketing, or if you want to use it for a small business, for your small own business, then I'm gonna be talking about this in other videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful to you.